Hey guys, today I'm going to talk quickly about why contract is a bad word to use in marketing. Now, this is because contract is a roadblock. Basically, whenever you have a contract, that means that there has got to be a commitment between two parties. So B2B, B2C, it doesn't matter. There has to be a commitment there. And then when it comes down to it, it can be a little bit complicated. Now, if you're looking to use something a little bit better, you could use something a little bit like paperwork. Okay, let's get the paperwork out of the way. You know, something nice, fluid and relaxed. Something where it's just like nobody likes paperwork, work is complicated and annoying, and nobody likes to do work, we all just have to do it. But getting it out of the way means, it's relief, it's gone. It's not perfect though. Try agreement. Agreement is really good because everyone can agree on something. There's no work involved in an agreement. There's no forceful, overwhelming pressure that is created by something like a contract. So when it comes to selling a product, like a service that you're going to be delivering over time, something like agreement is really good because everybody can agree on something. People like to agree. It means no fight, no conflict of interests, no worries. So try using agreement instead of the other two terms. I mean, paperwork isn't bad, but it's not perfect. And what we want to be going for is we want to be going for something that is better for our relationship with our clients. That's what we want to do. And that way, you will be removing the roadblock, which could be potentially costing you sales. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you. You have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.